and Zhengzhou LP is just located in this miraculous land. Since its establishment, LP has always been committed to the development and production of enameled magnet wire and Wingding magnet wire. We seek for excellent quality. Perfect products win the future for LP. In accordance with IEC, NEMA, JIS, GB, and other production standards, painstaking research by 18 engineers, hardworking in the days and nights by 200 employees, careful inspection of a million times, every procedure, every piece of equipment, every elaborate extrusion, wire drawing, winding, and painting produce the most perfect products of LP. In order to deal with the opportunities and challenges brought by the international market, the company adheres to high-quality products and technology innovation strategy, and firstly passes the ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification and the 14001 Environment System certification. Its products pass the American UL Quality Security certification and SGS Environmental Protection certification, expanding the international competition space as a behavior benchmark to provide perfect products and service for you.